4DRC F10-1080P Wi-Fi FPV Drone, fun and easy for beginners. Take your flying experience to the next level with the 4DRC F10-1080P Wi-Fi FPV Drone. Whether you're a beginner, a kid, or just looking for a fun way to capture stunning aerial shots, this drone is packed with features to make flying easy and exciting. With a 1080p HD camera, 3D flips, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing, you'll be soaring in no time. Why you'll love it: 1080p HD camera, capture crystal clear photos and videos, altitude hold, enjoy stable and smooth flying, 3D flips and stunts, impress with awesome aerial tricks. Headless mode, easy navigation for beginners, one-key takeoff and landing, simple and stress-free flying. Dual batteries, up to 32 minutes of flight time. 3 speed modes, perfect for all skill levels. Remote and app control, fly with a controller or your smartphone. Perfect gift for kids and beginners, ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or weekend adventures. Ready to take off and explore the skies?